how to create a graph in Microsoft Word. So if you want to create a graph in Microsoft Word, then first you need to open up your Word application. Once you open up your Word, now you need to go with a blank document. Once you open up your document, now what you need to do is just go with Insert, which is here on the upper left, and then go with Chart. Under Chart, you can simply choose any chart that you're comfortable with. So I'll be choosing column chart and clustered column. So you just need to simply go with OK, and here you will have your chart. Now here on the upper left side of that, you will have the options. So you just need to simply select the category, and then you can add something. You can remove that and then add your category. Now, for example, I'll be choosing test 1, test 2, test 4, and then you just need to simply go with series. So I'll be choosing the subjects. You can see on the bottom, your graph has been changed, right? But if you want to change the numbers also, then what you need to do is just go with left to right. So first choose the first one and then add the numbers and go with the right side and again go with right. And in this way you can add your details. Once you've added, now here you can see that your graph has been updated. So that's how you can create a graph, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.
Thanks for watching.